Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, no formal offer of F-35A to India. Focus remains on F-21 for IAF. In a conversation, Lockheed Martin official confirmed that no formal offer has been made to the Indian Air Force for the sale of the F-35A 5th generation fighter jet, despite ongoing speculation following the fighter's appearance at Aero India 2023. Instead, the company is concentrating on promoting its F-16 variant, now rebranded as the F-21, which includes significant upgrades tailored for India. Next, Indian Army to scrutinize FRCV bidders. The Indian Army, which has received an acceptance of necessity to procure the Future Ready Combat Vehicle FRCV, is set to conduct a rigorous evaluation of potential bidders. The FRCV, which will replace the T-72 main battle tanks in the Army fleet by 2030, is a significant acquisition program that will see intense scrutiny from domestic and international companies. Next, RFP reissued for procurement of 198 wheeled armored fighting vehicles. In a significant move towards enhancing the Indian Army's reconnaissance and support capabilities, the Ministry of Defence has reissued the request for proposal for the procurement of 198 wheeled armored fighting vehicles. The project falls under the Buy India IDDM, that is indigenously designed, developed and manufactured category, reaffirming the government's commitment to boosting indigenous defense manufacturing under the Make in India initiative. Next, Tata Motors to build VAP 8x8 factory in Morocco. India's Tata Motors has signed a significant agreement with the Moroccan government to establish a factory for the production of military equipment. This factory will primarily focus on manufacturing the wheeled armored platform 8x8 infantry fighting vehicles, which will be used to equip the Moroccan land forces. Next, Striker controversy, a report. The Indian government's plans to jointly manufacture Striker 8-wheeled armored fighting vehicles in India have ignited a heated debate within the country defense community. Critics argue that the decision to import a foreign-made vehicle, despite the availability of local alternatives like the VAP developed by DRDO, is a flawed strategy that undermines India's self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Next, Indian Army orders 700 Trinetra drones for vehicle convoy overwatch in Kashmir. The Indian Army has placed a significant order for nearly 700 Trinetra drones, an indigenized version of the popular American drone used by the U.S. Department of Defense. Originally developed by the Silicon Valley startup Skydio, the drones have been adapted for Indian requirement by the Coimbatore-based firm AeroArc. Thank you.